Hey, I'm Lekhana. Welcome to Little and Patience. So, I'm going to read the Dogman series like this. You won't be able to see the pictures because this is Little and Patience. Patience, you have to wait until the whole story is finished. Dogman, A Tale of Two Kitties. Dogman, Behind the Sensors. Hi everybody, it's your old pals, George and Harold. Yo, what's up dogs? We're in 5th grade. Now we're the older and wiser, and totally Major might add. We even got a new teacher named Miss Chevens. She's pretty cool, except for one thing. Makes us read classic literature. This month we're reading A Tale of Two Kitties, and we're having a dick'n of a time. Ha 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 ha! Like we said, we're totally major now. Anyway, we didn't think we'd like it, but we actually it's pretty good. Yeah, it's deep and stuff. A Tale of Two Kitties. It inspired us to make a brand new Dogman graphic novel. Now we're deep too. And so, Treehouse Comic proudly presents A Tale of Prison, A Tale of Dimension, A Tale of Debate, and A Tale of Hope. A Tale of Two Kittens. But first, a recap of our story thus far. Dogman, super recap. They were best friends of cops. They were the worst of cops. It was time to powder. It was time to convince. It was an hour of bravery. It was a moment of measure. Kabum! It was an hour of the worstness. It was a day of despair. Oh no, the cop's head. It's dying, and the dog's body is dying. It was an each aspiring. I know, let's throw the dog's head into the cop's body. Hooray! Yay! It was a produce of paralysis. It was a surgery of success. Hooray for Dogman! Hooray for Dogman! Hooray for Dogman! There was a cop with a dog's head on the cold streets of Savage City. There was a cat, a wicket in a kitty potty. I ain't easy being deep in the beta, but somebody's got to do it. And so beginning of a tale of mirth and woe. Dogman, chapter the first. Recalled to Duty by George and Harold. Oh boy! This is gonna be great. Hey everybody! We're in the news. And it's a good story this time. Look. Trending news. Dogmen and Chiefs are hooray. by Sarah Foster. I can't wait to show Dogman. Hey, where is Dogman? Choo 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 choo. Dogman? Oh, Dogman. Chief's office. No, wait. No, stop. Get off. Quick, bad doggy. How many times I've talked about this? That's no way of a cop to behave. I'm getting tired of this. Tired and tired and tired. Hey, Chief, didn't you want to show Dogman the news? Oh, yeah. Look, we're heroes. Because we saved Flippy from the world from Flippy. Lick, lick, lick. That says here that the Simpsons were going to study Flippy brain. Dogman, I have an important job for you. I'm putting a chain of security. Who wants to protect this scientist? So, this is 18 pages. Now, you can have a little break. So I might put this in little break. Bye! Woo! It's a day and night are over. Now it's time to go back to Dogman series. We were at page 18. Now, can you hold it? Thank you. Okay. Who's a good protector? Who wants to protect and serve? Go protect them! Gee, Chief, you're sure that was a good idea? I'm sure. Why not? Well, Flippy is dead fish. Remember how Dogman likes rolling around dead fish? Oh, he'd never do anything like that. Dogman is a good doggy. Clunk. Clunk. I'm going to show you this page. It's really funny. See, because she's actually knowing something. What's happening? This chair is broken. Look here. So this, he snippled. I'll show you. He snippled on this. Did I miss a page? No. So, wait. See? He came out of the, he is chewing this. Then here, he came out of the chief's office. And then, this is the chief's office. And the chief's about to sit on it. Then he broke. Clunk! Chapter the second. Chapter 2. You've got to be a kitten. Me. You've got to be kitten me. This feels warm. So, find something warm because this story is a little big page, so you might get so cold. Meanwhile, oh boy! Today is my birthday. I'm ordering me all these balloons. balloons. There's one for you, Tippy. And there's one for you, Fluffy. And here's one for you, Whiskers. Oh, Petty. Look, Petty. 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 Pop. Ma. Hey, Big Jim, wait up. No, you're mean. Oh, come on, man. Come on, I said a little joke. Go away. Oh, don't be mad. You've got present and everything. You do? Sure, I did. I buried it in the sandbox over there. Really? Yeah. Until I hold your hand and when you dig it up. Thanks. Oh, I think I found something. Ew, gross. Home at last. Keep out. Lab, sweet lab. Oh boy, this place is dumb. I need to get a new blotter. Someone who thinks like me and acts like me. Which? I've got it. So, tick-tack, tick-tack. Controlling adding machine. Add to cart. Click. 2 to 3 days later. Ding dong. Jim Jim. Please sign in here. Slam. Oh. Step done instead. Down action. Start button. Ding. Step 2. Press on the start button. Step 1. Step. Why did you use your code to do it? Papa! I'm not your papa. You're my clone. Wah! Wah! I want to whisker back. I want to whisker back. I want my money back. I want my life back. Chapter 2. Chapter 3. The $6,000 fish. Hello, I'm Dr. Dookie from the super awesome scientist over there. Our team of scientists just returned from the mountain. Went from nowhere. Why did Dig him up? 'Cause I want to meet Study Brain. Yeah, I'm not going to Study Brain. Ram. Remember. Ah, doggy. Look what he did. Be squished. You've ruined everything. Go sit around and look sad. Sad. It's time break. It's time to be my only one. It's 48 pages, so bye.